Hello again. So what I realized in my last video is I forgot to actually show the performance of these adapters. That's what we're going to do here. This will be a short video. First off, I want to show you what gigabit looks like on my laptop connected to a server running iPerf in server mode. So that's what we have here. Okay, so we're getting about 750 megabits per second. So I'm not saturating the gigabit link here. That's more to do with my laptop is kind of old. It has trouble getting up to gigabit speeds, but clearly that's pretty fast. So before we get to the final act, let's see what this adapter looks like. Well, one of the MoCA adapters. So I have them connected, one in the basement, one on the first floor. So we're just going to one of them here, 218. See, the IP changed again. So yeah, logging in. Keeping up with the IPs is hard. All right, so you've probably all seen this. If you haven't seen it, see my other video. And let's look at the MoCA setup here. Okay. I have reset these adapters, so again, if you've seen the prior video. Alright, so as you can see, it's reporting a connection speed of 240 megabits per second. You're not going to get anywhere near that, but that's it. So let's go back to my benchmarking. Okay, so we see the prior result here. So now let's give it a try. Same server, and we're going to try the same test. Before we're getting 740, that was over a gigabit. Here we're going to get 113. All right, yeah, so 110, 120 megabit per second. That is what I would expect from this class of the device. Let's try it again. Okay, yeah, it's pretty consistent. So I've done this a few times. I've seen speeds between 110 and 120. Considering the spec is 175 megabits per second, that's actually pretty decent. I'm happy with that result. This is a realistic test. I'm going from the first floor to the second floor. There are splitters, blah, blah, blah. So that's what you can expect out of this. It's a solid, 100 base T-ish type connection. If you get a little more, yay. Let's see what my wireless speed looks like. So I'm going to be going to another server here for various reasons. Doesn't matter. You can see over the MoCA adapters, I'm going to run the same test here, but to a different server. I want to make sure you don't think I'm faking anything. So right now we're getting around 120, 119, so that's good. Pretty much the same speed as before. Again, this is a different server, but I don't really attribute the different server for getting the different speed. It's just this test isn't the most granular, so sometimes you'll see small bumps like that. Anyways, so now I'm going to disconnect the MoCA adapter and turn on wireless, and let's see what I get over wireless from the same machine. And this is going to be disappointing, I guarantee you. Okay, so around 84, 94, 89, okay, so around 90 megabits per second. Now, again, this is an old laptop. Its wireless adapter isn't the greatest. Even though it reports connecting at 200 or 300 megabit per second, you can see the real world performance is below 100. And that's typical of everything other than Ethernet, I find. So the theoretical speed you get does not match real world. But as you can see, the MoCA adapters are providing a better performance than a typical wireless performance from, a similar distance. Again, I'm on the first floor. The wireless adapter, the Wi-Fi AP's in the basement, and this is the kind of speed I'm getting. You can get way faster on Wi-Fi, but this is real world typical. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks again for watching.